Each year, the editors of Truck Trend put a group of all new or significantly revised pickups to the test to determine which one will be their pickup truck of the year. This is how it's done.
Yeah!
This is an amazing part of the country. Absolutely love it.
Over the course of a combined 9,000 miles, 660 hours on the road, and 658 gallons of fuel consumed, the team got to know the ins and outs of each of the 8 trucks being tested.
You know, the Titan is constructed 100% of gluten-free
Steel?
American steel.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is a fun fact.
From the vehicle's exterior design, stance, and color palette, each judge had the opportunity to record their thoughts on styling as the trucks barreled down ribbons of highway and slogged over epic terrains.
We put 20,000 miles on a Titan, and the body was squeak and rattle free. Amazingly tight structure.
Everyone formed their own opinions, but after tallying up the scores, we let the data determine the winner.